Okay, today we'll be installing Mac OS 10.4 on an iBook G3. First thing you want to do is insert the CD. These do not come with DVDs readers, so you want to make sure that you do get the Mac OS on CDs. You want to insert the CD and then restart. This time with the Mac OS CD and the cd-rom drive, press and hold the C key on your keyboard. Okay, good. It's booted up from the CD. Now it says Mac OS X. Which language do you want to use? We'll just use English for right now. We'll say next there. And then we want to continue. And continue and agree to the license. Click on your drive and then click Options. When I click Options, I'm going to say erase and install from scratch. I say continue. Now here we have these other CDs needing. I'm going to customize this. I'm not going to need any of the translations, fonts, or printer drivers. So I'm skipping all of those. I'm going to say install. You'll still need some things from disk number 2, so make sure you do have the second disk. Continue. Now check for the installation CD and then continue from there. Choose your region or country. Click continue. 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 Choose different network setup. Say not to the internet right now. Continue. Put any name that you want. Change the date. And time. Click Save. Continue. Click Done. And that's basically it on how to install 10.4 on an iBook G3. And to check to see what you could do now is you want to get onto the internet and then do software updates and give you all the updates that you need. And for right now we can say about this Mac. There we are, we're at 10.4. Once we have all the updates, there'll be other numbers at the end of this one here. Does that all in one shot for us. Alrighty. Well, thank you very much. Have a good day.